Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I have bought this SICHER Gorilla tripod from Amazon. So today I'll be unboxing the tripod and tell you my thoughts about the tripod. So let's start. So this is a tripod and it comes with a mobile holder. So it basically comes with two versions. This version which I have bought is about $4.99, and there is another version which includes a Bluetooth shutter button, and that will cost you around $5.99. The legs of this tripod is pretty strong and you can move it according to your needs. This is the push button. If you press it, this part comes out and you can mount anything that supports cold shoe mount. And you guys can mount your different cameras right here via this screw. And also you guys can stick your mobile phones here by attaching the mobile to the universal mobile holder. After screwing, the tripod looks like this. And let me put a mobile to show you how it looks. So I am using a very old phone in this holder just to show you guys. So after attaching the phone, you can place the tripod like this in the ground and also can bend it and use it as a vlogging camera. And the ball head of this tripod can be bent approximately 30 to 120 degree in all the directions. So there will be no issue in case of vlogging. Now I have mounted my DSLR Canon 70D in this Gorilla tripod. But the thing I have noticed that the hold of this tripod is not that much stable. If the camera is too heavy or if you are using a big lens, it would be hard for the tripod to hold it. So I'll suggest you to buy this tripod for mobile phones, not for heavy DSLR cameras. It is great for mobile vlogging and it can hold almost all the mobiles with width up to 3.8 inches. Okay, one last quick tip guys. If you want to mount a heavy DSLR camera in this tripod, make sure to raise the leg like this. This time I noticed that my tripod was able to hold my DSLR camera pretty stably. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. And in case you want to buy this tripod, I'll provide a link in the description box. You can check that. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.